With over 30 years of innovation in eco-friendly products, Oppein Home Group has set a standard that exceeds international formaldehyde emission regulations to promote family health. From formaldehyde-free basic materials to achieve formaldehyde purification, Oppein Home redefines the green standard of the home furnishing industry. Oppein innovatively developed formaldehyde purification patented technique. Patented formula is dominated by two core substances, chitin and Nano-Silica. Through patented liquid impregnation process, those substances deeply penetrate surface finishes. Nano-Silica is produced via the nano-refining method. Featuring high purity and strong adsorption capacity, the nanosilicon efficiently adsorbs formaldehyde, TVOCs, and other harmful substances in the air. Chitin is called the sixth essential element of life, which is obtained from the shells of crustaceans. When chitin captures free formaldehyde in the air, chemical changes happen. That generates non-toxic water molecules and oxime. We integrated formaldehyde purification patented formula into cabinet panels to ensure the long-term efficacy of air purifier and improve the living environment. Our panels purify air through physical and chemical changes, safeguarding your family's health. Cabinets, doors, wall panels. Oppein Home ensures the freshness in every home space.